Hey Jessica, how are you doing? My name is Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. I reached out to Lori today. She was awesome. She was really nice, sweet, informative. She's a really great face to your company. I just wanted to give her a shout out because she was so sweet and nice on the phone. Again, my name is Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. Reason for the video today is because I wanted to send you um, just a customized video of your website with some tips and tricks that you can do in-house to increase your online presence to help you gain rank in the Google search. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of do an audit of your website and give you some tips and tricks that you can do yourself to increase your online presence. I'd love to hear some feedback from you about the video and what you think about it. If you love it, we can dig further into it. If not, no harm, no foul. Just take the tips and tricks that I give you, try to apply those, and I promise you, you will start ranking higher. Okay, so as you see here, I've got your website pulled up. You've got a beautiful logo. I love the wild animals. I love the rhino. That's awesome. Really nice, clean photo. I love how you got the call to actions up here at the top. You can just click on them and make a call right from there. Most people are searching on their cell phone, so having access to that is very, very good. You got another call to action right here where you can book a free inspection. Really good job there. Love the pictures, love the colors, love the photos. I mean, the website's not bad at all. It's pretty good website. And I like how you've got the call to action down here at the bottom. That way when someone gets done, they can just get right into it instead of having to scroll back through, because sometimes they get lost and say, oh, well, let me see their residential roofing, let me see their commercial, and then they're off doing other things, whenever the most important thing is to get them in there and be able to get that call coming through and booking that call. If I was to critique this website I would say it needs more content. Google loves content. There needs to be a minimal of 1,500 words of keyword-rich content throughout this homepage. And also videos and photos count as content as well. So you want to make sure that you're putting keywords behind these photos. 24/7, Google sends bots out to, I don't know why I just saved that. They send bots out to crawl your site. Okay, so the more keywords that you have in your content, the more pings you're going to get. Okay, so this picture right here could have been saved as San Antonio Roofers, Roofer San Antonio, metal roof replacement Austin. Something that is the service and the area of that service. That is buyer intent keyword, buyer intent keyword phrases. Now what I've done is I've actually taken your website and put it into my my Google Analytic tool here. It's called Ahrefs, and all it's going to do is show me some things behind the scene that's going to let me know why your website is or isn't ranking higher. Right here, you've got your UR and your DR, and this is the strength and this is the trust that your website has with Google. Now, this is out of 100, so you want to keep these balanced and moving up continuously. 32, 37 it's really good. I'm not even going to lie to you. I give credit where credit is due, and you've got really good URDR scores. You've got 1.21K backlinks, so you've got over 1,000 backlinks and 176 referring domains. Now, a backlink is simply one website linking to another website via clickable button or text. I've seen that you are on some lawn and garden, I think, websites. So your domain is on theirs and it links back to you. So you all share that power. So it seems like you're pretty good there. You got some good organic keywords in there as well. So not too bad at all here, actually. So what I've done to find you or to find a roofing company is Roofing Company San Antonio. That is a buyer intent keyword. That is the service and that is the location. So first, normally you'll see Google Ads up here at the top, Google Ads, Google Guaranteed. And then down here is your map pack. Now the map pack is where you're going to get around 30 to 40% of your traffic. And being in these top 3 spots is very, very, very important. And as you see, you're not in the top 3 right here, and that's okay because there's multiple ways to get there. You are on the first page of the map pack for roofing companies, but you're on down the list here, right here. I also looked you up because you're actually ranking for some metal roofing keywords, but you are on the 3rd page for that. And the reason being is because you're not being indexed for the keywords. You may be indexed for them, but I know they take time. You know, they take months, a couple months in order to rank, depending on how high the keyword difficulty is. But I also help with these Google business profiles too. You know as good as well as I do that you're not going to search all the way down to the 3rd page to find a plumber or an electrician or a mechanic. So that's the importance of getting to the first page and definitely getting in that top 3 spot. Now under that is your organics. So Metal Roofing San Antonio is the #1 person in the organics. So this is your #1 competitor. And as you see right off the bat, they've got decent content. Let's see if they're saving their photos correctly. Metal Roofing San Antonio, which is a buyer intent keyword. So that's why they are #1 in organics. As you can see, they have a lot of content, definitely more than a 1,500 minimal, probably closer to the 2,500 word mark. But they're doing really good. And again, this is your #1 competitor. So adding more content, more backlinks to your website, as you see, like these guys, you're going to end up ranking higher and higher. Okay. Now, I also wanted to tell you about these map packs up here, because what you can do is add a citation. And a citation is a business name, address, and phone number. You can put that in directories like Yext, Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, things like that. Because at the end of the day, honestly, Google is just a big popularity contest. So the more directories you get your information out to, the more popular and the more known your site's going to be. And it's going to start pushing you up in this Google Business Profile ranking. You also want to add geotagged and geolocated photos weekly. Whoever your #1 competitor is, you need to see how many photos they got and probably double it. Because, again, at the end of the day, it's a more. So they've got 13. They're #1. So you'd want to have 26. They've got 12. 26 would be a good number to beat there. 79. So that would be something that you could do weekly, is add 5, 10, 15, 20 photos a week. Make sure they're geotagged, geolocated. Make sure you've got keywords in there as well. There's also a 750 character About Us section at the bottom of your Google Business Profile. Make sure that you get that filled out, and make sure that there is keywords inside that as well, because that's going to help your Google Business Profile rank. Now, what I've done here is the last thing I want to show you. So we've covered content, we've covered citations, and we've covered the keywords. So Roofing Company San Antonio. This is being searched 900 times a month. Roofing San Antonio, 600 times a month. Metal Roofer San Antonio, 500 times a month. And you've got a lot of these keywords, but I'm just showing you because I know you also do tile and asphalt too. This is just for roofing companies and metal. So once you add the tile in there and the asphalt and you get really specific with it, I mean, you can absolutely dominate the market. You know, there's no reason you can't be up there in that top spot in the Google Maps and for the organic search. and you're not there, but it seems like you got a lot of factors playing in really well. So if you are working with someone, then it might be because the backlinks are taking time to age and to actually land, and again, that's just going to take time. If you're not working with somebody, that's what needs to be done. You need to have more power pushed behind these words. So you'll have links to these words, say roofing contractor San Antonio. So you'll be rhinoroofers.com / whatever keyword you want to be found for. So again, I hope that you enjoyed this video, Jessica. I hope it was informative to you, and I hope I was able to help you out today. Again, I'm just wanting to help local roofing companies with their business. I've been in construction my whole life. Whenever I switched to marketing, digital marketing, I just kind of wanted to help my blue collar family out. I've done plumbing and construction my whole life, so those are the people I want to help out. And more so the underdogs, the ones that's not on the first page, the ones that want to get to the first page. Jessica, I would love feedback from you. I'm going to send this through to your email. I hope you enjoyed this. Hope I didn't take up too much of your time. I hope you enjoyed the tips and tricks. Again, my name is Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. Have a great night.